Listen to Jackson.
Today we will be wrestling number 1, the dragon. Oh wait, hold on. The dragon. And number 2, Elmo.
The person that teaches.
where you live. Okay, if you come down here. Okay. Okay, now wait, Eric, bring it up a little.
YOLO.
What?
It's me. It's me.
Okay, Eric, come on up. Okay, Eric, no, I mean move the camera up. Yeah, okay, that's good. Today, Eric, turn it sideways like this.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
that's better. Okay. Today it will be Elmo versus Dinosaur. Ready and fight! I do not want to do this to you. I'm sorry, mister.
You know you took too long in the intro.
I don't care! Okay, Eric, come on, we have to get on with the wrestling. Sorry about that, folks.
Round 1. Fight.
They're flying. No.
Winner! Ding,
No,
ding,
stop,
ding,
stop.
ding, ding.
Ready? Wait. Wait, like
Not the winner.
Fine, fight. Who will win? This big guy or Dan?
Obviously, Elmo.
Hold on, I need to go get another character.
Till then, commercial break.
Okay, I'm back.
We're back.
You're the lady.
Round 2.
You're the lady. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Commercial break number 2.
Hold on. Come
Wait.
over here.
Oh
Come over
my
here. Come over
God.
here. There you go, folks. That was the best commercial ever.
No, it wasn't. No. Don't listen to him.
Okay, hold on. Okay, Eric, come on. Eric, it looks like you're having a Okay, ready? Okay, Eric, seriously. I want to make a video. Wrestling match! Super punch! Up! I don't have to do this! Oh yeah, Eric. Oh yeah. Oh, Eric, please stop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You dropped the camera.
I don't care. I love it. Oh, alright. As you can see, Elmo, which is practically dead, is the winner. Is the winner. Do do do. Do 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 do.
And my pretty face.
So weird.